This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the work area and removing nearby obstructions. This prevents damage. Use a center punch or small drill to create a shallow recess in a stripped head so a bit can bite. Once done, fit a slightly larger screwdriver bit or an extractor and apply steady downward pressure. This prevents cam out. Keep the tool aligned with the screw axis because angled force will make the head worse. If the head is corroded, apply penetrating oil and wait a few minutes to let it soak. You now move to more aggressive, controlled techniques. If a pilot hole is possible, drill one centered and use a tapered screw extractor, turning counterclockwise to engage threads. The extractor bites and removes the screw. Alternatively, a left-handed drill bit will sometimes back the screw out as it drills, saving time. If the head is rounded but accessible, use a Dremel to cut a fresh slot, then use a flat blade. Make sure to clamp the workpiece to prevent spinning and injury. You finish by removing debris and assessing the hole. Clean threads with a tap if salvageable so a replacement screw seats properly. If removal methods fail, carefully drill out the shank to the root, then re-tap or insert a helicoil. This sacrifices the screw but preserves the part. Make sure to inspect for surrounding damage and apply anti-seize or the proper thread locker when reinstalling to avoid recurrence. If a nearby component is damaged, stop and reassess rather than forcing the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.